How to make Telegram account without number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can make Telegram account without number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to make Telegram account without number, if I open the Telegram application, you can see right off the bat it will ask me to tap the start messaging option, and the first thing it asks me to is just simply enter my phone number, which means that I need to have my phone number. Now one thing you have to understand is that you can't make Telegram without phone number, but if you don't have a real number, maybe because you are underage or for some other reason, keep in mind that you don't need a real number to create an account. Now there are many of the other virtual and free SMS websites where you can use a free phone number, and when you from that phone number, if your Telegram sends you the code, you can also receive the code to that phone number. I'm not going to describe all of them on this particular video due to chances of YouTube flagging it, but if that is the way for you, then you can check that out if you'd like. So hope this video helped to clarify the question as to how you can make Telegram account without phone number. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.